I need you to stop for a moment and really listen to this. Because what I'm about to share with you may be one of the most important things you will ever hear about your health, especially if you are over the age of 60. This is not clickbait. This is not a scare tactic. This is backed by real science, and most people don't find out about it until it's already too late. A cooking technique used in millions of American homes every single night has been directly linked to cancer in multiple studies published by the National Institutes of Health, and most people using it have never been warned once. When you cook meat at high temperatures, grilling, pan frying, broiling, two families of compounds are formed inside the meat itself. The first are called HCAs, heterocyclic amines. The second are called PAHs, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Both have been classified by the NIH National Cancer Institute as probable human carcinogens, meaning they have been shown to cause cancer in repeated laboratory studies and are strongly associated with cancer in human population data. Here is what makes this so dangerous for people over 60 specifically. Your body's ability to neutralize and eliminate these compounds slows down significantly with age. A 45-year-old and a 65-year-old can eat the same charred burger, but the 65-year-old's body holds onto those compounds longer, and the cellular damage accumulates faster. Now here is what most people don't realize. It's not just barbecue. It's the dark crust on pan-fried chicken. It's the crispy edges on broiled fish. It's the well-done steak. Anything charred, blackened, or heavily browned on the outside is generating these compounds. And I want to tell you exactly how to keep cooking the foods you love without the risk, so stay with me. If this information has been valuable to you, please hit that subscribe button right now, and let's continue. The solution is not complicated, and it does not require you to stop eating meat. First, lower your cooking temperature. Cooking meat at lower heat for longer time produces dramatically fewer HCAs. Second, marinate your meat before cooking. Studies from the American Institute for Cancer Research found that marinating meat in herbs like rosemary before grilling can reduce HCA formation by up to 87%. Third, avoid pressing meat directly onto open flames, and always remove any charred or blackened portions before eating. Fourth, consider methods like baking, steaming, or slow cooking as your primary techniques, reserving high-heat grilling for occasional use. These are not dramatic life changes. They are simple adjustments that your body, especially after 60, will respond to in ways that matter. The science is clear. The choice is yours. And now you have the information most people never get. Before you go, remember this: small choices today can change everything tomorrow. Don't wait for a warning sign. Take care of yourself. I'll see you next time.